before the arrival of the Spanish in 1521 and their subsequent invasion in 1565, the people living in Archipelago had already established their own civilization. During this time, we should take note that there was no Philippines yet, and there was no level of the entire archipelago. Before the Spaniards arrived, the archipelago was composed of several forms of communities that had differing social and political practices. A barangay was seated by the Dato of Chieftain. His duties were to protect the barangay and promote the welfare and interests.
Mapagpalang araw, narito ako sa inyong harapan upang mamuno at magsilbi ng buong tapang at tuso. Naway ako'y inyong igalang kapalit ng aking tungkulin kayo dinggin at protektahan sa anumang oras at panahon.
Lahat ng batas at alituntunin ay mahalaga.
Kailangan natin ito para sa ating barangay. Lahat din ng mga batas ay may kaakibat na tungkulin at kapalit. Maraming salamat po.
The barangay were composed of three groups of people: the nobles, the freemen, and the dependents.
Sila ba ito na ang buhay na matatamasa natin?
Huwag kang mag-alala, hindi naman ito panghabang buhay.
Mukhang maganda ang mga gawain na naisip ng Dato at nais niya kami makasama sa mga ito.
kanyang mga nasasakupan.
Ikaw, tapusin mo na ang iyong ginagawa at tayo may patutunguhan.
Siya ba ang inyong gagawin na pamalit at pambayad ng iyong mga utang?
Oo, mukha naman siyang may silbi at alam kong hindi siya magiging sagabal.
Boats were the main mode of transportation before rivers and seas connected the barangays to each other. It was raw water that people communicated, expanded population, and transported their trades.
Maaari mo bang tanggapin itong aking napakagandang palayo kapalit ng iyong kagamitan?
Napakaganda ng iyong palayo at magagamit dito sa pang-araw-araw na gawain. Nais kong ialok sa iyo ang mga alahas na ito kapalit ng iyong magagandang tela.
Maganda ang iyong inalok sa akin. Nais ko ring maipakita ang kalidad ng aking produkto.
It is evidence that the average Asian pre-colonial Filipino was a person with a strong and rich culture, well-endowed intellect with a high level of professionalism, and skill with such a large tract of well-endowed land, an honest society, an equality religion, and diversity that was embraced rather than stunned. Our ancestors possessed a complex working society and a culture complete with work of arts and literature. When the colonizer came, everything extradictory to their own system had to go scriptures, texts, religious ceremonies, and virtually anything else deemed observe evil of a threat to their rule were eliminated.